Welcome to this PV Manager tutorial. In this video I will show you how you can select the AC and the DC cabling. In the topic cabling, first you get to the DC cabling. Here are just a few informations about the PV plant. In roof group 1, you can select between the first and the second MPP tracker. You can also choose the cable length, the cross section, and the color. Important is here that the voltage drop stays under 1%. If maybe the cable length increases to 50 meters and the cross section goes down, you can see that the voltage drop goes over 1% and you get a warning. If we put the cross section a bit higher, you can see the voltage drop stays under 1%. All these informations you can do for the first and the second MPP tracker. The AC cabling is almost the same. It just looks a bit different. Here you can also choose the cable length, the cross section, the cable material, and the cable installation type. Again important, here is the voltage drop, that it stays under 1%.